We're diving straight into a real-world case study, the deployment of Bluetooth Angle of Arrival, or AOA, high-precision positioning within the Foshan Midea Lighthouse Factory. This isn't theoretical, it's a live, operational example from one of the world's leading manufacturers. So, what exactly did we do? We took a standard warehouse operation, think pallets moving in and out, and applied Bluetooth AOA. The goal was simple on paper: track every single pallet precisely as it moves via forklifts. You see the video, right? It looks almost too easy. Forklift grabs the pallet, and boom, we know where it is. But here's the kicker: simplicity is often an illusion in the real world of industrial applications. This whole process, while resulting in a slick solution, was described as torture. Why? Because translating that simple concept into flawless execution is incredibly difficult. It demands immense time, patience, and human effort. Think about it. You're not just plugging in a device. You're wrestling with complex environments, signal interference, and ensuring the data aligns perfectly with the physical reality of the warehouse. It's a grind, and that's the first crucial lesson. Don't be fooled by the polished final result. Now, let's talk about why it wasn't easy. The core issue? This wasn't a plug-and-play, standard product. The Bluetooth AOA solution itself needed significant adaptation. Every factory, especially a sophisticated lighthouse factory like Midea's, has its own unique ecosystem. Environmental factors, existing infrastructure, specific business requirements, they all demand a tailored approach. We couldn't just take the off-the-shelf tech and expect it to work perfectly out of the box. It required meticulous tuning and customization. And here's another reality check: aiming for 100% accuracy is usually a fool's errand. In complex industrial settings, achieving perfect precision is often technically impossible or economically unfeasible. What we aimed for, and ultimately achieved, was acceptable precision. This means finding that sweet spot where the technical limitations meet the practical needs of the business. It's about delivering a solution that works reliably enough for the intended purpose, even if it's not mathematically perfect. Setting realistic expectations is vital. How did we navigate this complexity? Through collaboration. This wasn't a solo mission. Success hinged on bringing together different expertise. We had the factory owners who knew their operations inside out, Huawei experts providing deep technical knowledge about the AOA technology, and our own core team managing the integration. Each partner brought unique strengths to the table. It was a true partnership, pooling resources and brainpower to tackle the multifaceted challenges head-on. A key part of this collaborative effort was the iterative refinement of the algorithms. We didn't get it right the first time. We used the data collected from the real-world operations, the actual movements of the forklifts and pallets, to constantly tweak and improve the positioning algorithms. This was a continuous cycle of testing, analyzing results, identifying issues, and making adjustments. This data-driven approach allowed us to adapt and optimize the system over time, pushing the boundaries of what the technology could achieve in that specific environment. So, after navigating the challenges, the torture, the outcome, significant improvement. By leveraging the combined expertise, the iterative algorithm refinement, and the collaborative spirit, we managed to elevate the overall positioning accuracy to a new level. Crucially, the accuracy reached a standard that the customer found acceptable and valuable for their operations. It proves that even the most demanding projects can yield successful results through persistence, teamwork, and a willingness to adapt and refine. Let's distill the core lessons from this experience. First, never underestimate the complexity hidden beneath seemingly simple applications. Second, remember the old saying: the devil is in the details. Pay attention to every single aspect. Third, collaboration is absolutely essential. No single entity can solve these complex problems alone. Fourth, embrace an iterative approach. Continuous improvement is the name of the game. And finally, maintain realistic expectations. Striving for acceptable, reliable precision is often more practical and effective than chasing an unattainable 100% accuracy. That brings us to the end of this quick overview. Hopefully, this gives you a clearer picture of the realities behind implementing advanced technologies like Bluetooth AOA. Now, I'd be happy to open the floor for any questions or further discussion.